Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming on to do a craft with me video. What I've made is I've made the basis of this like little mini tote bag. I did follow a tutorial again, so I'll pop it in the description down below for you to check out. So dimensions wise, it is 5 inches across, 3 inches wide and 3 inches deep. So you've got quite a big space here to put things. And then you've got little side pockets. I know with my 4 side pockets here, I want to put sequins mixes, and then on the sides here, I've got these little, I haven't finished making them yet, but these are an SVG file that I've made. It is available in my Etsy store if you like it, but I do want to put these in the side. And then on the inside, I was thinking about putting in just some memory decks cards, and then this will be a Happy Mail gift for someone. So we're gonna decorate it today, and then I will load it off camera and show you guys. So what I'm gonna start off by doing is I've cut and measured all of the layering pieces that are gonna go on here, and I want to, I can't remember if I was doing the blue. Yeah, I think I'm doing the blue side. I'm going to cover it with this tulle that I've picked up. I'm going to cover it, mat it, and then put a sequins mix on. So I'm going to do that for the two side pieces because I love doing my sequins mixes, and then the pieces here on the side, I'm just going to have them plain like that. So I'm going to off camera make these shakers using the tulle in my sequins mix and then mat them onto here. Okay, so here it is done. I've got the shakers on the side and then this here. I know what I want to do already is I have these brown bows from my stash. I want to put these on the side because I'm thinking about this in regards to like a handbag. And I feel like most handbags have a bow somewhere, and to kind of go with symmetry, which is a big thing at the moment that I'm going with. It's kind of like a big style change, I guess, is being a lot more symmetrical. So like I said, the tutorial, if you want to know how to make this, is in the description down below. I did alter it slightly. I made these a little bit smaller and I did 1 strap rather than 2. I just thought 1 strap was fun. So what I'm going to do is my main decorating on this side here. I've already kind of pulled just a few pieces that I knew I wanted to include. The paper is from Marigold and I am using my Bash or Stash kit. Still trying to use it up as best as I can. So I'm using a lot of the things from that. So I'm going to stick on these cute little, I think they're like a pear bush or something. And then I have this word amazing. I also have this butterfly, but I'm not sure if I want to include the butterfly because I was going to do like this giant bow. The bow was sent to me from a pen pal. This is tricky. I think I'm going to actually not have the bow, so I need some foam tape. I just need to stick a little bit here on the A. Yeah, it was sent to me from a pen pal. It was from Beck. I can't remember what her tag is because she's changed it. I think it's Bohemian Dreamer now, or is it Pink Inked? So the Pink Inked or Bohemian Dreamer. She's amazing. She's another Aussie happy mailer, and I think she has a YouTube channel now, but I'm not positive. This word is one that I made using my Cricut. I'm just popping it on. I do kind of like the idea of having the bow as like a offset, so I think I will do it. But what I'm going to do, is I'm going to pop this little butterfly on it. I think this butterfly is from Heritage. It's been kind of sitting on my desk for like a month, so just trying to use it up, and then we'll squish it. It's just going to add a bit more detail. So like that. I do kind of want to put the duck on. Could do that. Yeah, why not? Like I said, I am just kind of sticking this one because idea that I wanted for this is to be a lot more focused on the, like what I'm gifting. So there we go. I will end up putting a charm on the side. I haven't made it yet, but just to kind of show you what I mean. It won't be this big, but it'll be like a, this is one that a pen pal sent to me. It just sits on my desk. It'll just kind of sit here on the side to kind of give some effect to that side. I just haven't made it yet. So what I'm gifting in this is, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 little sequins mixes. This is just like a really simple one. I'm gonna fold it in half and tuck it in the pocket. And this one matches the sequins mix that I did on the side. Tuck it in. This one's just a cute one that I made. Again, fold it in half. Tuck it in, and then fold it in half. And then tuck it in. So that's going to be there like that. And then on the side, I have these 2 little, they're like little potion bottle hearts, and I've decorated them, and they're just going to slip in here. But I do want to pop them in, I think I want to pop them in a baggie. Just, I don't want them to rip. So I think I will. I have these ones here. And I don't think it's going to close, but I just want it to be a little bit more secure. Yeah. So it won't close, but I just want it to be a bit secure. So I'm going to actually chop off the ceiling part and I'll put it in upside down. I just want to protect the like the stopper of the bottle, because otherwise I'm worried it's gonna rip. There we go. So just protecting that a little bit, and that'll just slip in here. And then we'll do the same thing with this one on the other side. Like I said a little bit earlier in the video, these little potion bottles, I do have the SVG in my Etsy store if you want to go check that out. I've just decorated them up nice and little. I think I want them to be facing outwards. Yeah. So there we go. Now I'm just noticing I did use hot glue to stick these on, and they are just completely peeling off. So I'm going to add some wet glue on there. Okay, so there is that all decorated up. I am going to fill this with different goodies. What I was thinking, kind of just filling the back of it as well. I've got these, they're from Chasing Dreams. They're like little faux leather hearts. I'm just going to pop those on the back here. Just for a little bit of interest on the back. That is it. I've decided to fill it with all of the memory dexes that I've made, and I'm going to gift it like this. I'll wrap it up so nothing falls out because I have wanted to remake all of these memory dexes. So this is what it looks like when it's filled. It's just got a really simple design at the front, and then on the sides, as we show, we've got our little potion bottles here, and then in here we have a sequins mix, another little potion bottle, and then a sequins mix, and a sequins mix, and our potion bottles, and inside is all of my memory dex SVGs from my Etsy store. So I'm going to be sending this as a happy mail project to someone. I'm thinking I might actually do it as a rack and surprise them. I do want to remake all of these and make them in different designs, but I really like how this one turned out, and thank you for joining me for this little craft with me. Stay tuned for in a few days for my next video. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.